Yo, what's up everybody? It's your tech guy MKBHD back with another video. Today, we're taking a trip down memory lane to revisit a smartphone that took the world by storm, the iPhone 11. Released back in 2019, this phone was a game changer, offering flagship features at a more affordable price point. But how does the iPhone 11 hold up in 2024? Let's find out. The iPhone 11 was a massive hit when it launched, and for good reason. It offered a solid camera system, impressive performance, and a sleek design. But the smartphone landscape has evolved significantly since then, with newer models boasting even more advanced features. So does the iPhone 11 still hold its own in this competitive market? Is it still worth considering in 2024? Let's dive in and find out. The iPhone 11 rocks that classic iPhone design language. It's got the glass front and back with an aluminum frame. Now, it's not the most groundbreaking design, but hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? One thing's for sure, Apple knows how to build a sturdy phone. The iPhone 11 feels solid in the hand, the materials are top-notch, and the build quality is excellent. Of course, after a few years, you might see some wear and tear. A few scratches here and there are inevitable. But overall, the iPhone 11 has aged pretty well, especially compared to some of the newer phones with their more fragile designs. Alright, let's talk display. The iPhone 11 comes with a 6.1-inch Liquid Retina LCD display. Now, it's not an OLED panel like you get on the newer models, but it's still a pretty good display. Colors are vibrant and the screen is bright enough for outdoor use. Under the hood, the iPhone 11 is powered by the A13 Bionic chip. Even in 2024, this chip packs a punch. You can still run demanding apps and games without any major issues. Navigating through the UI is smooth and apps load quickly. Sure, it might not be as blazing fast as the latest iPhones with their A16 chips, but the performance is still impressive for a phone of its age. Let's move on to the cameras. The iPhone 11 features a dual camera system on the back with a 12-megapixel wide and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. This camera setup might seem modest by today's standards, but it's still capable of capturing some amazing shots. The photos come out sharp and detailed with accurate colors. The ultra-wide lens is great for capturing landscapes and group shots. And let's not forget about portrait mode, which creates that beautiful bokeh effect. Video recording is also solid on the iPhone 11. You can shoot up to 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. The footage is smooth and stabilized, making it great for capturing everyday moments. While the camera hardware might not be as advanced as the newer iPhones, Apple has continued to improve the camera software through software updates. Section 5. Powering through time, battery life. Battery life is always a crucial factor to consider, especially with an older phone. The iPhone 11 originally came with a decent battery, and while battery health naturally degrades over time, it's still possible to get a full day's use out of it with moderate usage. Of course, if you're a heavy user, you might need to charge it up during the day. To maximize battery life, make sure to optimize your settings. Lowering the screen brightness, disabling background app refresh, and using Wi-Fi instead of cellular data can significantly extend the battery life. One area where the iPhone 11 lags behind newer models is charging speed. It only supports up to 18 watts fast charging, which is significantly slower than the 20 watts or higher charging speeds offered by newer iPhones. Section 6. Staying up to date, software and updates. One of the best things about iPhones is their longevity when it comes to software updates. The iPhone 11 is still running the latest version of iOS, which means you get to enjoy the newest features and security updates. Apple has done a great job of optimizing iOS for older devices. The user interface is still smooth and responsive on the iPhone 11, and you get access to all the latest apps and games on the App Store. Compared to newer iPhones, the experience is pretty much identical. You get the same clean and intuitive interface, the same app ecosystem, and the same level of security. Section 7. Feature-packed additional perks. Beyond the basics, the iPhone 11 comes with a bunch of additional features that enhance the user experience. Face ID is still blazing fast and secure, making unlocking your phone and authenticating payments a breeze. The phone is also water resistant, so you don't have to worry about accidental spills or getting caught in the rain. And let's not forget about the stereo speakers, which deliver surprisingly good audio quality for a smartphone. While these features might not be as groundbreaking as they were back in 2019, they still hold up well in 2024 and contribute to the overall enjoyment of using the iPhone 11. Section 8. Weighing the options, pros and cons. So after revisiting all the key aspects of the iPhone 11, let's weigh the pros and cons to see if it's still worth buying in 2024. Solid performance, the A13 Bionic chip still delivers a smooth and responsive user experience. Asterisk excellent camera, the dual camera system captures impressive photos and videos. Asterisk long-lasting software support, you'll continue to receive software updates for years to come. Asterisk durable build quality. The iPhone 11 is built to last. Asterisk affordable price. The iPhone 11 is now available at a much lower price than when it was first released. No high refresh rate display. The 60 Hz display feels dated compared to the 90 Hz or 120 Hz displays on newer phones. Asterisk slower charging speeds. The 18W fast charging is significantly slower than the charging speeds offered by newer iPhones. Asterisk battery life degradation. Battery life won't be as good as it was when the phone was new. Asterisk no telephoto lens. You don't get the versatility of a telephoto lens for zoomed-in shots. Section 9. The verdict, still worth it. The iPhone 11 might be a few years old, but it's still a capable smartphone in 2024. If you're on a budget and looking for a reliable iPhone with a great camera and smooth performance, the iPhone 11 is definitely still worth considering. However, if you're someone who needs the latest and greatest features, like a high refresh rate display, faster charging speeds, and a more versatile camera system, then you're better off opting for a newer iPhone model. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your individual needs and budget. Section 10. Find your perfect iPhone. Looking for the best deals on iPhones, new or pre-owned? Check out the link in the description below. We've partnered with some awesome retailers to bring you exclusive discounts on a wide range of iPhone models, including the iPhone 11. Don't miss out. Upgrade your smartphone game today. Pause 3S. Section 11. Future-proofing. How the iPhone 11 holds up against future tech trends. As we look forward to the rapidly evolving tech landscape, it's natural to wonder if the iPhone 11 will stand the test of time. Surprisingly, this device still packs a punch in several key areas that ensure its relevance for years to come. First, let's talk about the A13 Bionic chip. This powerhouse processor is still capable of handling demanding applications and multitasking with ease. Whether you're editing videos, playing the latest mobile games, or switching between multiple apps, the A13 remains a top performer. Next, consider the camera capabilities. With its dual camera system, including night mode and 4K video recording, the iPhone 11 continues to deliver impressive photography and videography results. These features are likely to remain competitive even as new models are released. Battery life is another critical factor. The iPhone 11 offers a robust battery performance that can easily last through a day of heavy use. As more apps and features become power-hungry, this longevity will be a significant advantage. Moreover, the iPhone 11 supports iOS updates, ensuring you get the latest software enhancements and security patches. Apple's commitment to providing updates for older models means your device will stay current with new functionalities and improvements. Lastly, the build quality and design of the iPhone 11 are timeless. Its sleek glass and aluminum construction not only look premium, but also offer durability that will keep it looking good and functioning well for years. In conclusion, the iPhone 11 is more than capable of holding its own against future tech trends. Its powerful processor, advanced camera system, long battery life, and continued software support make it a smart investment for anyone looking to future-proof their smartphone experience. Pause 3S. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech insights and reviews. See you in the next video. Pause 3S, Section 12, User Experience, Real-World Usage and Feedback from Current iPhone 11 Users. To truly understand the iPhone 11's place in today's tech landscape, let's dive into some real-world feedback from those who use it daily. Clip User Testimonial 1, Positive Experience, Voiceover. Many users rave about the iPhone 11's camera quality. Sarah from New York says, "I love the night mode on my iPhone 11. It captures stunning photos even in low light, and the 4K video recording is perfect for my vlogs." Clip User Testimonial 2, Positive Experience, Voiceover. James, a graphic designer, appreciates the performance. The A13 Bionic chip is a beast. I can run heavy design apps without any lag, and multitasking is a breeze, he shares. Clip User Testimonial 3, Mixed Experience, Voiceover. However, not all feedback is glowing. Emma, a college student, mentions, "While I love the battery life, the lack of 5G support is a bit of a letdown, especially with more networks rolling it out." Clip User Testimonial 4, Negative Experience, Voiceover. Some users have pointed out durability concerns. Mike, an avid traveler, says, "The glass back looks great but is prone to scratches and cracks. I've had to invest in a sturdy case to keep it protected." Clip User Testimonial 5, Positive Experience, Voiceover. On the software side, Lisa, a tech enthusiast, notes, "I appreciate Apple's consistent iOS updates. My iPhone 11 feels fresh with each new software release, and the security patches give me peace of mind." Voiceover. Overall, the iPhone 11 garners a lot of praise for its camera, performance and software support. However, some users feel the absence of 5G and potential durability issues are worth considering. These real-world insights offer a balanced view of what it's like to live with the iPhone 11 day in and day out. Pause 3S. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech insights and reviews. See you in the next video. As we wrap up our deep dive into the iPhone 11, let's summarize the key points and provide a final recommendation on whether this device is still worth it in 2024. Firstly, the iPhone 11's camera capabilities continue to impress. With features like night mode and 4K video recording, it remains a solid choice for photography and videography enthusiasts. The A13 Bionic chip ensures smooth performance, making it suitable for both everyday tasks and more demanding applications. On the downside, the lack of 5G support is a notable omission, especially as more networks adopt this technology. Additionally, some users have raised concerns about the durability of the glass back, which may require extra protection. Battery life is another strong point, with many users appreciating its longevity. The consistent iOS updates from Apple ensure that the iPhone 11 stays current with the latest features and security patches, extending its relevance. In conclusion, the iPhone 11 still holds its ground as a reliable and capable smartphone in 2024. While it may not have the latest features like 5G, its performance, camera quality and software support make it a worthy consideration for those looking for a balanced device. However, if cutting-edge technology is a priority, you might want to explore newer models. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech insights and reviews.